Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concept in 90 Seconds video. What is fungus? Fungi tend to be microorganisms and include yeasts and molds. Mycologists study fungus as a subset of microbiology, so very similar to bacteriology. A mycologist will grow fungus, identify them, create and maintain cultures, and other stuff like that. Some equipment used by mycologists include autoclaves, laminar flow hoods, agar, petri dishes, and incubators. Mushrooms are huge fungi. The blue powder on bread is a form of fungus called penicillin, and that can also be called mold. The black crud you find in your shower is a type of mold. Well, that was Fungus in 90 seconds or thereabouts. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit notify, and then you'll be informed when more videos are posted by me.